Good morning, everyone. Today we are making a hexagonal pyramid of side 30 mm and altitude 70 mm is resting on HP with a side of base parallel to VP. It is cut by a cutting plane inclined at 30 degrees to HP and perpendicular to VP and is bisecting the axis. Draw the front view, sectional top view and true shape of the section. So this is a question of today's drawing. So we are going to CAD. This is solid edge. So draw a axis of thickness 0.35 mm and it should be a continuous line. And put the names. Right. And VP, HP. Draw a hexagonal of side 30 mm. So draw a 30 and the degree is a 0 only. Then again 30, 60 into 1, 30, 60 into 2, 30, 60 into 3, 30, then enter 60 into 4, then again 30, and 60 into 5, the final. So this is required hexagonal. So make it thickness of 0.50 mm. So now draw the axis. It is hexagonal, so it is in a thickness of 0.50 only. And give the dimensions. Name it A, B, C, D, E, F. This is O. So now plot the lines of thickness 0.25 to the axis. It should be non-continuous. And draw the axis from center to the axis. So we have a pyramid of altitude 70 mm. So draw a axis line of 70 mm. Now join the lines with the thickness 0.50 mm and a continuous line. And also side lines. This is the front view and this is the top view. So give the names. sorry, it is a dash, a dash, square bracket, f dash. This is c dash with the square bracket e dash and d dash. Shit, o dash. And give the dimensions. Yes. Now we have to cut this plane. They said cutting plane inclined at 30° to the HP. So you have to plot the line in 30°. Cut this. So 30°. It should be in thickness 0.25. So thickness is 0.25 and it is non-continuous. Make the difference of these lines and plot the angle. It is 30°. And now split the lines, this line and here, and this line. It it is and now change the thickness of this line into thickness 0.25. Now again split this line at here, make that continuous line with the thickness 0.50. So this is cutted portion. Now plot this region here. So draw the axis with non-continuous line, thickness 0.25. It should be straight line. Got till here. This and this one. So we don't know the now we got these lines. So plot the line with the thickness 0.50 and continuous line. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is hexagonal, so no need of converting the line into curves. So give the names for that. Here it is 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now also give the names here. 1 dash, 2 dash with 6 square bracket 6 dash, 3 dash with square bracket 5 dash, and this is 4 dash. Now we need to draw the true shape of the section. So draw a 30-degree axis. It 150. The thickness of this axis should be 0.35. Now plot the lines with the dotted line and the thickness 0.25. /60. Now check the dimensions from here to here. It is 44.17. So draw the lines. 44.17 with the 60-degree. It's going out. So move it. So 44.77, and again check the dimension between this axis and this point. From that point, to this points. So we got the lines. So now the line of 30.89, 60 degree, and again 26.55 with the 60 degree, and check the dimensions here. From this axis to this point, from that point to, sorry, from that point to this point, draw the line 27.14, 60 degree, then again 34.05, 60 degree, and the distance between these two is the same. So it is 44.17 with 60 degree. So now we got the lines and points. So draw the section. Oh shit. That line must be thickness of 0.50 and continuous line. So we got the section now. Give the names for that. 1 double dash. Oh, oh, oh. 1 double dash. 2 double dash. 3 double dash. 4 double dash. 5 double dash. And this is 6 double dash. This is required section. So by this we finish the drawing. Thank you.